What is going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. And if you own Bitcoin, I'm sure your day is even better. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I recently, through my Cash App, started investing in Bitcoin. Yep, I'm a little bit late on the train, but that is okay because it's apparently full steam ahead and it doesn't seem like it's going to be going anywhere anytime soon. Even though I have been a huge person advocating against Bitcoin in the past, it seems like it actually has hit thresholds and it has gone through its peaks and troughs enough that it seems like people are taking it more seriously. Sure, people like Warren Buffett will never own it, but people like Jamie Dimon, who runs JP Morgan Chase Bank, are slowly starting to come around to the idea. So that means maybe I should too. And if you want, comment down below as far as why I should continue to invest more into Bitcoin and why am I so late to the party? Why was that a bad idea that I'm investing now when it was around 18,000 a coin? Why was that such a bad idea? And where do you guys think Bitcoin is going to go into the future? So I want to know those things. Please comment and let me know all your thoughts about Bitcoin in my comment section. Anyway, let's get on to the video. What we're going to do today is compare what Bitcoin has been pinned against lately, which is its value versus gold. Should you own gold or own Bitcoin? Which one is the better investment? And which one will take you further in the future? So as of today, it is November 30th, 2020, and right now Bitcoin has hit an all-time high, surpassing its 2017 high, and it is around $19,000 a coin. Now let's look at a portfolio of Bitcoin versus gold. So here we are on Portfolio Visualizer. If you've seen my other videos, then you would know what this is. Please feel free to check out my other videos to see what I'm talking about. But what I did was I put in Portfolio Visualizer a portfolio of $10,000 that started out investing in Bitcoin and invested in a gold ETF, the most popular gold ETF there is, the GLD. So what happens is I get results from as far back as October 2014. That is the Bitcoin market price, USD. That's when this was being tracked, or this is all the available data that I have. So about 6 years worth of data is in this, because remember, Portfolio Visualizer only gives you data up to the month previous. So even though we're in November right now, I can only see returns of Bitcoin and of gold through October 2020. Anyway, so what happens is, look at this. Portfolio 1 has Bitcoin in it. Portfolio 2 has gold in it. And again, from this time period of October 2014 to October 2020, look how much you would have from Bitcoin versus look how much you would have from gold. This is pretty self-explanatory. You don't need me to read you these numbers, but that is astronomical how much gold has returned to you versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin just blows gold out of the water since October 2014 for the data that we have to track it. That's huge. A 90% compound annual growth rate. I mean, you can't even get that with like a Tesla, a Microsoft, a T-Mobile, anything like those. It's hard to find. This is incredible. This is pretty average. Like you might think, well, wow, like gold, it's only gone up. My balance has only improved like 50% in 6 years for a compound annual growth rate of about almost 8%. That's pretty normal. That's a pretty normal return. Like that's actually pretty competitive with the overall market. So it's nothing to sneeze at, but it's no Bitcoin, that's for sure. Bitcoin is like a Tesla rocket ship combined, a SpaceX Tesla rocket ship. That is what Elon Musk has created, something like that. That would be what I compare Bitcoin to. It's just, what is this astronomical, out of this world? Look at these returns over a 6 year period, too. Remember that. This isn't like 1 or 2 years, but we're actually going to look into that next. if we look at the annual returns by year, it's pretty easy to see. Gold has lost money 2 years out of the six, and Bitcoin has lost money 1 year out of the six. And this is a pretty tough pill to swallow. This would make a lot of people stay away from it. Having that kind of devaluation in a coin could make you lose almost all your money, about 3/4 of your money. If you put $10,000 into Bitcoin in the early 2018, by the end of 2018, you would only have, about $2,500 left. Like, you would have lost $7,500. That's really hard for anyone to lose and to come back from. So a lot of people just dabbling in Bitcoin. But as you can see, if you stuck around, especially since 2014 for the long term, you've done pretty well with Bitcoin. Again, a 90% compound annual growth rate to see a final balance from $10,000 go to, $430,000 by October of 2020. That's pretty incredible. And again, nothing to sneeze at with gold. Like, that's pretty good to have only two down years out of six and to still end up with about $15,000. That's just like slow and steady wins the race. Bitcoin, again, is like a rocket ship, an unreal rocket ship. So that's just what I wanted to make a video about. It's under 7 minutes, so I hope that you do enjoy this. Please, please, please subscribe to me if you want to see more videos like this. Comment down below about why I'm so slow to invest in Bitcoin and why I should continue to invest in it. Persuade me, let me know, and see you guys soon.